Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Tamarack RV Park in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Tamarack RV Park is appropriately named. It's not a campground, it's not a resort. It is 100% RV park. There is literally nothing to do here except maybe talk to the girls at the office, and some of them are kind of cute. There's not even a swimming pool here, but don't get me wrong, I'm not putting it down at all. In fact, it's quite beautiful here. And for those of you who the end all be all is a long, perfectly wide and long level site, have I got a treat for you. These sites get an A++. And for folks like me, I'm all about the restrooms and showers here. A++ again. These showers were so immaculate and clean, I took one every single day. So the question is, would I stay here again? Well, maybe. Now, despite being in a nice forested area right here in the city, and having nice long level pads and full hookups and everything, uh, there's really nothing to do here at the campground. And Coeur d'Alene's all right, but now that I've seen it, I'm not sure I'm in a great hurry to come back. It's nice. There's nice coffee shops and what have you, but I'm not drawn to come back here, I guess is what I'm saying. However, if it's a good stopping point, I would pay the Passport America rate. Now, you only need to use Passport America 3 times a year before it pays for itself, so it's well worth it to invest in it. It's only $50 a year. If you're interested, do me a favor, check out my description page and click on that link. Also, one more thing that helps me out, if you've enjoyed this content, if it was helpful to you, give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. All right, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.